Welcome back to Tech Everin, your daily dose of futuristic technology explained simply. Apple is reportedly working on its next-generation headset, known as the Apple Vision Pro 2, and early leaks are revealing some truly exciting upgrades that could redefine the entire mixed reality market. According to trusted sources, the design might become slimmer and lighter, directly addressing user complaints about weight and comfort issues faced in the first-generation model. The new Vision Pro 2 is also rumored to feature an upgraded micro-OLED display with even higher brightness and improved clarity, providing users with more immersive AR and VR experiences than ever before. Some leaks mention that Apple is testing a powerful dual-chip setup for smoother performance and advanced rendering capabilities, making virtual environments feel incredibly natural and lifelike. There are also strong talks about a significantly improved battery system. Analysts believe Apple may introduce an entirely new battery design that lasts much longer, potentially removing the need for external battery packs that many users found inconvenient. In terms of features, it's expected to come with better gesture tracking, a wider field of view, and enhanced pass-through for more realistic mixed reality applications. While an official release date isn't confirmed yet, industry insiders believe Apple could announce the Vision Pro 2 in late 2025 or early 2026, as production testing is reportedly already underway with suppliers in China. If these rumors turn out to be true, the Apple Vision Pro 2 could once again redefine the way we interact with technology, entertainment, and our daily digital lives. Would you consider buying the next-generation Vision Pro if it offers these powerful upgrades and features? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Everin for the latest updates on future tech innovations and AI advancements coming your way soon.